The next setting in our create mode for the terrain toolkit is smoothed, which does exactly what the name suggests it does. It just smooths out your terrain. It has really only one pertinent setting that we haven't seen before, which is iterations. This is the number of times the smoothing operation is going to be applied with every click of the smooth terrain button. So if you set this down to 1 and you click smooth, boom, that's what you get. If you set it up to 5, it's just like clicking the smooth button at one iteration 5 times in a row. So it's just kind of trying to save you from carpal tunnel syndrome. Next, you have your blend, which just as before is just controlling how much of this smooth operation gets applied finally to the existing terrain that you have here. So you could think of this in terms of smooth as kind of an overall fine-tuning degree. So you could tweak exactly how much smoothing you're going to get. Though, for me personally, I find that in most cases, I just use iterations and I end up clicking a few times until I'm satisfied with what I see.
Right, but you could use it in the case if one iteration was giving you just too much smoothing and you wanted to bring it down a little bit or even a great bit.
Yeah.
You could take your blend down to, say, 0.1.
Exactly. Or when you find those really weird instances where one iteration is just not enough, but 2 iterations is too much, then you've got your blend to tweak, like fine-tuning. But that's really all there is to it. Again, it's just a way to smooth out the result of the terrain you're looking at, and that's going to wrap things up for this video. Thanks for watching.